Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow private messaging in Game Center on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Screen Time. Next, we tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now tap on Content Restrictions and then put in the screen time passcode. Next, we go down to the Game Center section and tap on Private Messaging, and in here you could choose between allow or don't allow. This allow prevents you from sending custom messages to other players and using voice chat in games. So select an option that you would like to use, and then tap on the back key to go back to Settings, or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.